Good day, this is Scott Schneider with ShadowTrader.net, bringing you a shadow short to start your week off on Monday. It is presently 1 p.m. Eastern Time on August 19th. ES just made a high of the day in G period and is now trying to take out the virgin point of control from July 23rd at 56.1150. I wanted us to take a look at the weekly candlestick chart. That's what I have in front of us right here on the ES continuous. And what we will observe is that the purple line is the 8 EMA, the orange dash line is a 21 EMA. Price is presently above both of those on the weekly chart. Last week, we recaptured the 8 EMA, and we're monitoring this week for continuation above. And so far, we're getting that continuation. And the past 4 weeks, and then if we include this week's developing bar, it's it'll be 5 weeks, we're in a multi-week balance. And so I have the high of that balance from the week of July 22nd at 5629.75. That's 5629.75. And I have the low of that weekly balance down at the week of August 5th, and that is at 5120. So it's quite a large range. 5120 all the way to 5629.75. But, balance occurs on lots of time frames. It occurs on short time frames and it occurs on longer. And if we have a multi-week balance, which is what I'm observing right here with the past 4 weeks, then, right now we are closer to the higher end of that balance. So we are closer in ES to that 5629.75 level, which would be here. So 4 things are going to happen if 4 possibilities can happen if we get above that level. The first would be a look above and fail. And you can see that we had the all-time high kind of right up against this channel in July, and we had a pullback, and now we're back. If we get above this multi-week balance and it's a continuation, and we get continuation, then we are going to, most likely come to the high end of this channel. So the first thing that has to happen is buyers would need to get above that high at 5629.75. If they can get above that high and get acceptance above that high, it's a buying situation. The other thing that could happen, the other thing we have to be aware of is if we don't get above the high of 5629.75 and we fail to, either we look above and fail or we just, tap out before we get to that level, then balance will continue since we're in a multi-week balance. And where will we end up? We'll end up at the other side of that range. So we'll start to advertise prices down into these levels. And it is important because the structure that got us to where we presently are, it was not great. It was pretty poor structure. And so that's just one, data point to keep in mind. It's not actionable on its own. So that's how I'm looking at it. I'm looking at ES. NQ also multi-week balance. It's the same, situation if you look at that chart. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you a little way to kind of organize the data. And I hope forward to see you in the room. Have a good day. Hey, this is Scott Schneider from the Futures Room over at ShadowTrader's Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, please click the link in the description below. Have a great day and happy trading.